Hey guys, welcome to the third video of how-to vids, and in this video we're going to show you how to draw a cube. A cube is obviously a three-dimensional shape, and obviously three-dimensional shapes are sometimes hard to draw. So in this video we're going to show you how to draw a cube. Now the cube we're drawing is average in difficulty. We're going to show you how to draw a cube. So here's the cube I've drawn, guys. As you can see, it's basically, you can see it in two different ways. But if you're using a pencil and you don't want some of the lines, then obviously rub the lines out. I've just included all the lines here for everyone else. And so I'm going to show you how to draw this cube. So I hope you understand how to draw this cube. It is easy to draw. I learnt this in grade 5, so I hope you understand. So the first step is to draw a square. Make sure all four sides of the square are the same length, because obviously squares are made up of same lengths. So first draw a square. Next, draw a dot in the middle of your square. Make sure it is in the middle. So as you can see here, I've basically drawn my dot in the middle. So after that, once you've plotted your center dot, draw a line from the dot to the bottom of the square, and then draw another line from the dot to the right hand side of the square, touching the side of the square. So as you see here, this is what you should have now. So once you've done that, draw another square using the two lines that we just drew. And now this square has to be the exact same size basically as the original square, this one. So that one and that one have to be exact same size. And this point here should be right in the middle of the square, the second one. So once you've done that, connect that corner and that corner using a line. As you can see, we've connected those corners together, and I'll do the same here for this corner and this corner, connect them with a line. So now we've done that as well. Now connect this corner over here and this corner over here with another line. Finally, after all those line drawings, we have to connect this corner and this corner together, and that is our last line drawing. And eventually you'll end up with your very own cube. That's how you draw a cube, guys. I hope you understood how to do it. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments below. As you can see, it compared to my original one. They're both similar. So that's how you draw a cube. Thanks for watching How To Vids. Like and subscribe. Thank you.